Hey again. So today we are going to be talking about the student financial section on the FAFSA. The first question says, for 2019, have you completed your IRS income tax return? And if you didn't work in 2019, then you're going to say, not going to file. If you worked in 2019 and you didn't file your taxes, which you probably didn't have to, then you can say not going to file. If you did file, then you would say already completed. If you chose already completed, then you're going to need a 2019 1040. It looks like this. And if you chose that you did not have to file, you might still have a W-2 from 2019. It looks like this, and you might not. So if you have any of those forms, please get those ready before we start, and I'll meet you back here. I'm going to first do this for the majority of our students who said not going to file. And then I'll go back and do already completed. So if you did fill out a tax return, then jump ahead. How much did you work from working in 2019? I'm going to go up here to my W-2. If you did work, you should have gotten a W-2, and it'll be up here in part 1. It says wages and tips. So I'll put that number in here and hit next. Notice that they pre-populated these to 0, which means that it's probably unlikely for you. Did I pay any child support in 2019? I did not. If you did, you can put that there. Did I earn anything from working under a college? Probably not if I'm in high school. And then did I get any money from work study? Again, probably not if I'm just applying to college now. So now this one asks, did I receive any child support? You can say yes or no, probably not if you don't have a child. This one says, did you get housing, food, and other living allowances for being in the military or the church? Probably not. Do you have a retirement savings plan? Most young people, when they work, they don't sign up for these things and they're not eligible for these things. But if they were, they would be right here. It says in boxes 12A through D. So you would just go over here, A through D, add those up and put those in there. Did you get any non-education benefits from being a veteran? You're probably not a veteran. Other untaxed income, such as workers' compensation, disability. And if you received any money that is not reported anywhere on this form, you can put that there. I'm going to leave it at 0. Next. Okay, and today, what is the amount that you have in cash and savings? You can guesstimate that, and I'm just going to put 1,000. This number changes all the time, and that's okay. Next question asks, what's the worth of your investments? This is if you have any investments, probably none. And then this one says, what's the worth of your business? You probably don't have a business that has over 100 people, so I would put 0 in there as well. And that's it for student financials. Let me go back to see if I chose already completed. It's going to ask you which tax return did you file for, probably a 1040. You're going to say single unless you were married. If you have the option, you can click the link to IRS. That's the most accurate and fast way that you're going to get this information filled out. Otherwise, if you don't see it, you can hit next. Okay, and then they're going to ask you questions about that 1040. So it'll tell you exactly the line. It'll say line 7. So what was your adjusted gross income? I'm going to go look at here and look at line 7 down here. And I'll just grab that number and put that in here. How much did you earn from working? This will be in your 1040 line 1. Grab whatever is in line 1 plus schedule 1, lines 12, 18, and box 14. I don't have a schedule 1. If you do have a schedule 1, then add up the boxes that have those numbers. It's now asking, did I have a schedule 1? No. If you don't know, you can hit I don't know. It's probably a no though. This one's asking for income tax. This is on line 13. Line 13 is on the second page right here. And they want you to subtract schedule 2, line 46 from that. If you don't have a schedule 2 like me, then you'll just subtract off nothing and it'll just be that number. If you have a schedule 2, subtract it off. And you're now on to sign and submit. You are almost done. Watch our next video to get help on that.